In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split text in Excel 7 methods. Today we will focus on one very useful approach that extracts initials from full names using a combination of Excel functions. As you follow along, keep an eye on the cells we are editing and make sure your formulas match what you see on screen. First, open your Excel worksheet and locate cell A1 and cell B1. In cell A1, type your full name. In cell B1, type initials. This gives your spreadsheet a clear structure. Column A will hold the names, and column B will display the initials we extract from those names. Take a moment here to double-check that you spelled the headings exactly as intended, because clear headings make it easier to read the results later. Next, we will add sample data so you can see the process working. Type your first test name into cell A2. Type your second test name into cell A3. For example, you will enter two full names with a space between the first name and the last name. This matters because the method we are using splits the text by spaces. After you type A2 and A3, you should see the full names appear exactly as a normal text entry in those cells. Now that the input data is in place, we will create the formula that produces the initials. Click on cell B2 to select it. This is the transformation destination cell for the first name. Selecting B2 ensures that when we paste the formula, Excel places the calculation in the correct location and returns the initials to the right row. Once cell B2 is selected, type the formula exactly as follows into cell B2, text join, true left, text split A2, 1. As you type, pay attention to the quotation marks around the space inside text split. That part tells Excel to split the full name using spaces as separators. The formula then takes the first character from each split segment and joins those characters together. You can think of it as, split the name into parts, take the first letter from each part and combine them without adding extra spaces. After you enter the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel should instantly extract the initials for the name in A2 and display them in B2. If you have done everything correctly, the result should look like a compact set of initials without spaces between the letters. Take a second to confirm that the output matches what you expect based on the first and last name you entered. With the first row working, the next step is to repeat the same pattern for the next name. Click on cell B3 to prepare your next calculation row text field. This is where the initials for the name in A3 will appear. Selecting B3 keeps the logic consistent and ensures the new formula writes its result into the correct cell. Now type the formula for the second row directly into cell B3. Text join, true left, text split A3, 1. This formula is the same as the one in B2, except it references A3 instead of A2. The key idea is that we still split the full name by spaces. We still select the first character from each split segment, and we still join the pieces into one combined text result. After you type the formula into B3, press the Enter key. Excel will complete the dynamic text parsing list for the second name, and the initials should appear immediately in B3. At this point, you have a working example that shows how Excel can parse text and transform it into initials automatically. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.